Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you on how to make bread, wheat whole bread. It's different from the white bread we used to do. So this is a different version of it. It's a different type of bread. As you can see, the flour is not white. The flour is milky color, wheat bread. And it has its own recipe. For the salt, I'm using 1 tablespoon of salt. The flour is 1 kg of flour. For the yeast, I'm using 1 tablespoon of yeast. I'm stirring it. 1 tablespoon of yeast. For the sugar, I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of sugar. This bread is not a sugary bread. It doesn't require much sugar. I'm using 3 eggs. I'm whisking the egg now. For the oil, I'm using 2 tablespoons of oil. Milk, water solution. I'm using 400 mils. As you can see, 400 mils of water and milk solution. So I'm going to add it into the mixer bowl. Today I want to use the mixer, the industrial mixer. I've added everything.
So I want to fix it into the industrial machine now. Industrial mixer. So I will leave the dough to proof for 2 hours. When it's finished mixing, so I'm still mixing it. This is a low mixing so that I'll be able to incorporate all the ingredients inside. Then I'm going to increase the speed of it. So I'm going to add more water to form a dough. I've added another 1 cup of water, 250 ml of water to the 400 ml. The bread dough is done, so I'm going to stop the mixer now. Then I'll leave it to rise for 2 hours. So this is how it is. As you can see, the color is not white.
These are the cake pan. I've greased the cake pan with the vegetable oil. You can see the inside. So this is the bread dough here. Here's my flour. I'm sprinkling it. This is 1 kg of wheat flour. I've divided the dough into 5 places because I have 5 pans here. So I'm rolling it this way. You fold it in. You have to get the measurement. So I've dropped one here. You have to tuck it inside. Hello guys, this is the bread dough. All of them are inside the pan. This wheat bread does not rise like the normal bread, the white bread. So it takes time. So I'm going to leave it for 2 hours for it to double in size. I'm baking the wheat bread now. I'll bake it for 30 minutes. Hello everyone, this is the outcome of my wheat bread. It came out so beautifully well. I made a design on it. As you can see, I made a design. Came out well. As I said, this is not white bread, so it will not be like white bread. So let me just, which one should I cut? This is wheat bread. So let me test the small one. This bread is delicious. It's very tasty. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the button. Subscribe. Don't just watch and go. Watch and stay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.